Welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to disable the Wi-Fi only setting on the Google Play Store so you can download apps using mobile data. Let's dive right in. Start by opening the Play Store app on your Android phone. Tap on your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. From the menu, select Settings. Then tap on Network Preferences to see download and update options. Under App Download Preference, you'll see the current setting. If it's set to Wi-Fi only, tap on it. Choose over any network to allow downloads over mobile data. Then tap Done to save the setting. While you're here, also check Auto Update Apps. Change it to over any network if you want updates to happen on mobile data too. That's it. You've now disabled the Wi-Fi only option and can download apps on Google Play Store using your mobile data.